Alright guys, I got this smelter finally, and we got it going. We got some miscut keys in it, and some brass locks and some brass parts from locks. We're going to melt them down, and then down here I got a couple molds we're going to try out, see how it goes. I'll bring you guys back once everything's melted down. Alright guys, the video you're seeing now is from my new channel, Ballistics Breakdown. There's going to be a link in the description there. Go and subscribe for me. Alright guys, I didn't get to let you guys watch me pour it earlier. I forgot to record that. So I melted some more down, and we're going to go ahead and pour those and see how that goes. That's on. This turned off. Start with this ingot. Obviously the skull. One second. Just try to get this out of the skull real quick, and we'll redo that. There we go. Looks like we may have had some copper left in that batch, or some copper stuck in that batch. That ain't coming out yet. There we go. There we have some nice coins, and go ahead and see if we can get this skull out again. There we go. Try to get that lifted up for you guys to see. It's still really hot. There we go. We got our coins. Alright guys, just wanted to show you what I got so far today. I did probably about 6 or 7 locks. The outside, like the outside of your deadbolts and stuff that were brass from older locks, and the outside of the doorknobs. And then a few mortise cylinders and some keys. And I got this bar. One skull and 4 of these coins. So we're going to clean them up and put the coins, kind of texture them in or something, do some kind of design on them, and then clean up the skull and put those on Etsy.